Hello, in this video, we are going to be seeing how to connect an LED using a breadboard and battery resistor. This is the circuit diagram of the connection. Let me explain how to connect the LED resistor and battery. Things needed are a LED, a resistor, and a battery and some battery wires. First, connect the LED in the breadboard. The LED has two terminals. One terminal is cathode and the other is anode. The anode is positive and the cathode is negative. Connect the cathode in the negative of the breadboard, which is also called ground. And connect the anode in the same row and connect the anode to the resistor. Connect the resistor to the same row in which the resistor's anode is connected. Then connect the other end of the resistor to the positive side of the breadboard, which is VCC and 5 volts. After that, we are ready to give the batteries connections. Connect the battery's positive side to the positive of the breadboard and the negative side to the negative of the breadboard. After giving it, let us turn on the LED and now it's glowing. Let us stop. Now let us do this in the hardware. Here we have an LED, a resistor. Let us start giving the connections. As we told, the negative of the LED, negative terminal of the LEDs usually shorter than the positive. Connect the negative terminal of the LED to the negative side of the breadboard. In my breadboard, it is in blue color. It's the inner hub. And another side of the LED, in any row of the middle breadboard. Negative in the inner hub and positive side anywhere inside the breadboard. Now the resistor. We have to take an 1K resistor. Connect one end of the resistor in the positive side of the breadboard, which is the outer hub, and the other end in the same row where the LED is connected. The same row where the LED is positive side is connected. Same row. Now let us give the batteries connections. Connect the positive. First, connect the negative of the battery to the negative of the breadboard. Then connect the positive to the positive of the breadboard. Now our LED is glowing successfully. Thank you for watching.